Right, today we've got a cook-off between the Rockbox and the Ninja, and we are going to be cooking an artisan pizza. So let's stick it on artisan, and let it preheat. I'm going to just keep my wood fire topped up because I kind of do in this oven, and my pellets always go everywhere. Top it up. Real time in your backyard garden cook where things may go wrong because it's real time. These were frozen and then I defrost them in the bags. So I freeze them in a bag like this and then I defrost them at room temperature. Okay, let's get this in. Let's get this one in. Let's get this in. I'm all flour. Oh my gosh, what a state I'm in. Right, anyway, got those in. That's really good. Get my pizza peel. So the Rockbox is on full. Actually, maybe I should have turned that down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna just turn it down a bit. Good. Oh, I can't see the back. Oh, I touched the oven instead of the dial, which was a bit dumb. I'm going to cook it on the lowest flame. Because you can see how fast it cooks. And this one isn't ready. I need to add another minute to it. Wow, that looks good. And yeah, I think this one should be done in a minute. Just a bit more at the back. I guess it's done. Yep, that's done. I'll put that down there. And I'll go and get the Ninja. I love these real-time cooks. Oh, it's looking good. I'm going to give that like 1 second. It's all in my head, really. It's just that I think I've done something with a Ninja. Like, I don't leave it all to the oven. Get food. Oh, look, I've done something. Wow, done. Let's cut this one up. This is the Rockbox. Ninja with the wood-fired pellets in. Beautiful cook. Ninja cook. So nice. Let's try that. Box. Box. Rock box tastes absolutely gorgeous. Ninja tastes absolutely gorgeous. Not much in it really, taste wise. They both taste the same. Couldn't taste any of the wood fire on the wood fire option on the Ninja because it's just too fast to cook. But it does taste when I cook things. I can taste it on pan pizza on a longer cook, but not with this short cook. So gas fired pizza oven, electric fired pizza oven. Just testing them out and showing you what they can do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.